Salam. We'll be talking today about buffer solutions. A buffer is an aqueous solution consisting of a mixture of weak acid and its conjugated base, or weak base and its conjugated acid. Its pH changes very little when a small amount of strong acid or base is added to it, and thus it is used to prevent changes in the pH of a solution. There are 4 types of buffer solutions. We'll be explaining one of them, which is the addition of strong acid to an acidic buffer. Let's say we have this jug that has weak acid, like ethanoic acid, which consists of the H ions resembled by the guy with the cool big hat, and ethanoate ions resembled by the guy with the tarbush. Together they make the weak acid. As for the conjugated base, the sodium ethanoate salt, which consists of sodium ions, the sleepy girls, and ethanoate ions, the guys with the tarbush again. When we have these compounds in an aqueous solution, the weak acid will dissociate into the hydrogen and ethanoate ions, forming an equilibrium with them, while the salt will dissociate completely into the ethanoate and sodium ions. So for now, our solution consists of the following important components, which are ethanoic acid, the hydrogen ions coming from the dissociation of the acid and responsible for the acidity of the solution, and we have the tarbush guys coming from the acid and the salts. They hang out together, making a big group of friends. We also have the sodium ions, but we will be leaving them out of the picture since they don't really matter in the buffering mechanism. Then, we have addition of strong acid, like hydrochloric acid, to the happy hangout. The extra H ions will try to change the pH of the solution. But since the ethanoate ions are too abundant, they make friends with the extra H ions, forming the ethanoic acid, which leaves the pH unchanged. And that's how they all live happily ever after.